$21,300. 155 soul. Fucking lit. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it and every single coin that we hit on. There was a lot today, a lot of W's. So it'll take a little bit longer than usual, but bro, good ass day. Good ass fucking day. First coin, 6 rooms. I made 5.5 soul on this. I should have made generational, dude. I cheated this. This was like one of the first coins. I had 30k fill, and I clipped my initials out like right after I bought the coin. I clipped the initials out right here because of just like how the chart was moving, and then it started going up higher, and I sold out around here. Scented made like 50 on this. He was in my call, so I literally cheated so much, bro. But the narrative of this is that some guy who had a coin that went to 429,000 market cap. Well, that is at 429,000 market cap, and that went to like 23 mil a year ago. He deployed it and he made a new project on the same wallet. And again, this coin went to literally like millions a year ago. So naturally, his next coin like was like bound to do something, and it's at 300k right now. It went to like 500. And I cheated. I could have made generational wealth. I made 5 soul. Listen, 5 soul is 5 soul. Here's another one. This one hurts, guys. Oh my god. Can't look at this. I made 107 soul on this, bro. $14,000 on this shit. Look at this. You see this? You see this or what? 4k entry. Fucking, it says 14k. It's wrong. My average is realistically like fucking 80. I sold on bond. And what this coin was, very simple. I was looking on new pairs. It's called fuck coin. And I see like a thread or whatever of someone like saying like, oh, this is like an old coin, whatever. Here, it's like this. They deleted the thread, but it was exactly like this. It was a thread. And it was like, oh, this is an old coin. We should send it. They have a video from 11 years ago. So I see this on my new pairs. I'm like, oh, this looks interesting. I click on the video. And I don't know what compelled me to do it, but I just clicked on the website. I click on the website. I see this. OG meme officially launched on Solana. Find us on Pump Fun. Relaunched no KOL stealth. And I see like they relaunched it. So I click on this Pump Fun link. And I see this coin. Dead ass, just sitting at 4k. I was like, this is insane. And I'm in the call with my friend Kev Season and Realist. I'm like, guys, this is insane. And I just start buying up. Like, I just kept on buying. I bought it up to like 15k. And then they started buying. And then Kev started buying. And then we just waited and it bonded. And I was up like 100 soul just on bond alone. Because I'd bought so much knowing it was really good, right? Like, I just knew it was an old coin from 14 years ago, from 2014, that relaunched on Pump Fun, so it had to be good. Like, it's just like it's lore, like it's just an old ass coin. And unfortunately, so I sold a little bit here. I sold like 50 soul up here, and then I sold the rest here. And the reason I sold all of this here is because, honestly, look, look at this chart, dude. Disgusting, bro. I could have made so much money. The reason I sold all this here is because everyone was telling me that it was like a stolen website, that someone had taken the website and stolen it. And first, people were saying that I did it, which is hilarious. I just found it and sent it to my friends. You guys could literally see like how I did it. I was just on a new pairs, and then I bundled it. I didn't even bundle it. I just bought up here with as much wallets as I could because I just knew it was good. And then I sold off in this bond volume, and I sold here. I shouldn't have sold this. This should have been held because it went so much higher even in the short term. I'm an idiot for these sells. I'm an idiot. But yeah, so we made 107 soul on this. We could have made like 1,000, guys. Literally, it went up and it's at 800k. And they died at first too. It went to 1.5 mil. Crazy coin. Still made a lot of money, but could have been more. Let's see, another coin we made money on. This is pretty decent. I made 5 soul on this. A lot of like 5 soul, 10 soul, 5 soul, 10 soul here and there. This on Elon's profile, no one actually realized, but this is a coin. Like, it has a picture, it has the ticker, the name of the coin, replies, and created by Pump Founder a year ago. So because that narrative was pretty good, I bought it. I ended up buying here. I sold my initials up here, and I thought it would do higher, and then it kind of just like went down, so I just clipped out here. Made 5 soul. Can't complain. Can't complain. Let's see. Next coin, Kabuto King. I think this should have gotten so much higher, guys. So right now, there's this guy, and he's been collecting all Kabuto coins or cards, the Pokemon, and he's buying every single card so that the price of the card goes so much higher. Like, he's trying to control the supply of all Kabutos. And he's recently gone viral for doing so because now the coins are, or the cards are actually starting to like gain more value. And this guy who is doing all of this responded to a Bags coin that sent fees to him to help him collect the coin or the cards. So I found this, I bought it, then like Bandit and Cupsy bought, and it topped at like 25k, and then everyone just started selling. So I sold, and I only made 4. I was up like 10, and I thought that this would really bond. I don't know why this didn't bond, because the other coin, the Kabuto coin, is at 400k right now. So some random coin about this whole story is at 400k, and then the coin that he endorsed on Bags like couldn't even bond past 25. I thought that was weird, but whatever. So we made 5 soul on that, well 4. Then I made 3 soul on this. I sold this pretty well. I was like literally first fill, and I just sold up here at 20 something k, and they redevved this later and it bonded. It just needed to be devved the second time, I guess, for NA market. But yeah, 3 soul. This was just a simple narrative. Some guy was like, they're making a cult for Cheetos on like crypto Twitter, and it got quite a bit of 60k views, and it's just like everyone's a Cheeto or whatever, so it was pretty decent. The whole coin was just about this crypto cult. Beaver, I made 2.5 soul on this, and I don't know who told me to buy. I think ALX Cooks told me to buy, and he said it was going viral and the community was still active. So I just bought it. I scalped it. I didn't think it was that good. I just bought because he told me to buy, and then I looked into it. Trumplican. Let's see. Did not even show up? Wow. I don't know why it's not showing up. One of these. Well, I made a little bit on that. It was just Donald Trump put the word Trumplican on Truth Social, and it's like a viral term right now for people who are pro-Trump and also Republican. This one should have done better, bro. This was Andy Arye, the creator of Truth Terminal, who is the like AI that created Fartcoin, posted and said, yeah, this is a good picture of Truth Terminal's foundation. So literally like a picture of Truth Terminal, and it topped that 7k. I don't know how, guys. I made 1 soul on this. And then the rest of these are kind of ass. Let's see. Ken coin. I think this should have done so much more too. I think I only made, yeah, 0.6 on this. Zeus IG did this. This was a good coin. Some guy had a line on Pump Fun. I mean, he ended up breaking it anyways, but yeah, he literally was live streaming on Pump Fun with a line. Look at this, guys. The problem was the bundle. Oh, it's not even, doesn't even show it. Well, he was on Pump Fun Live and he was showing his pet line. The problem with this coin was, I mean, since I found it, I bought with him. I thought it was really good, but I really didn't like the beginning of this chart. Usually when you see like immediately candle here, slow like bundling up, and it's like kind of unnatural movements, it's usually a bad sign. And I mean, we were kind of right because it let the guy do this later. So yeah, that was a decent coin. Oh, I just hit on this a minute ago. I think this should have done better too. But Elon kind of lost a lot of his motion. Elon tweeted like a joke about how they should change the Europe flag to this with like surveillance cameras, so it would be like extremely unprivate. You know what I mean? Oh my god, how do I mute this? Alright, I muted it. Sorry guys. So, you know, EU, extremely unprivate, and this was the new flag. I round tripped this. I was up like a decent bit up here, and I just, you know, I thought it would go higher, but it didn't bounce, so I sold it down here. Here's another coin. This was a LARP. This was a LARP, but it was a pretty good LARP. What was it? It was there was this coin for Smiling Friends that was going viral. I don't know why Smiling Friends all of a sudden is going viral. And I made Tensel on this. Smiling Friends, a coin bonded and it's going viral about like, I don't know, just the show in general. It went to like 100k. And there's like a wiki for Smiling Friends. Show you. There's a wiki for Smiling Friends. And so there was like a fake coin of like, oh, in this episode they said Memecoin or whatever. So I hit on that. I made like 10 soul. Some people hijacked it and put like pictures, memes of me. But yeah, we made quite a bit. Me, Bandit, Lucas, we all kind of psyoped it, I won't lie. But it was just a good coin to psyop. It was really easy. Now let's see what I lost the most money on. The thing is, I didn't lose a lot of money today. Honestly, we cooked all day. I lost money on the redeploy of this. The user is targeting you. I thought this was good. So I rebought it later because the first one that we did make money on didn't go. And this one didn't do anything. I lost 2 soul on it. This was also something I lost 2 soul on. I don't even know what the narrative was. It was just, yeah, some community about Geometry Dash, which was apparently coming back. This carrot coin, I don't know why they rugged this. This was like a whole project that they were hyping up and they've been like tweeting about for like a month or 2 or something. And it didn't even do anything. It dropped at 60k. Kind of sad that they put in all this effort. And then honestly, that was it. All these small losses are nothing that really matters. Like, let's see, United Life Foundation. I think I bought this off of like a shill, and then I was instantly down. Yeah, like I bought it down here and instantly stacked. And it was like a charity coin for people with cancer, and they posted it in their bio, which is why I thought it was pretty good. But apparently they had launched before, so that was like the FUD of it. I don't even know if they actually did. I didn't do that research. And then the rest of these I broke even on, honestly. None of these are really crazy coins. Oh, bunker coin. I should have made more money on this, I think. But it is old and bonded. This coin, pretty much, and they tried sending it back up with like Eurus and them and Cupsy and whatever before or after I got out, but it didn't really work either. This coin, the whole narrative behind it, I think this is pretty good. So it's a year-old coin, and someone created the coin, and they said in a podcast that it was created by Toli, which is interesting. And the person who said that is an ex-Pump Fund employee, so his name is Stack Overflow. He's pretty big. He used to work for Pump Fund, and he said that Toli, the CEO of Solana, launched this coin on April 1st, and that it was launched by Toli. So the whole narrative that it was launched by Toli is why it kind of went up. I found it, I posted about it, I told my friends about it, so I was able to make 9 soul on this, but I thought it would have gone so much higher. Like, I only sold out here because people were just like max selling all these candles. Like, they sent it back down to 9k, then 20 again, then 9, and 10, 20, and 9, and 20. So it was like, at that point, I was like, all right, I'm gonna just take my profit. And then Clad, Eurus, and all of them bought it up again, and then it went to 0. I still think this narrative is good. Like, the ex-Pump Fund employee said that Totally deployed this a year ago. So literally, like, that's like a person with some sort of motion and valid, like, history saying in an interview that Totally deployed this coin, which is insane. I don't know why it's at 0. I don't know why no one believed it. They probably thought it was LARP or something, but yeah, that was the other coin I made a bit of money on. And then the rest I did, yeah, again, all of these are just random coins. I like hit like, you know, 1 soul here and there, but we went over all of these. I don't think we went over these 2. Mr. Fresh. Let's see. Mr. Fresh, we made 0.5, so it doesn't even matter. That's nothing. And then Tim Waltz. This is like a joke on Tim Waltz or something. Yeah, I literally lost a soul on this. Yeah, so we made no other money. Honestly, the main bulk of it came from these 2 coins, and then a bunch of other small, like 5, 5, 5, 10 soul. So that's how we made 155 soul today. 21,000 $300 in 1 day trading meme coins. These are all the trades that we took. We made a lot of money, and I'm pretty happy, guys. I hope you guys got some value out of this. I tried to go over all the narratives. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to download Terminal. The link is in the description. It's what I've been using to trade, and I wouldn't be able to make this much money if it weren't for them. Literally, Pump Fund bought this trading bot. It's amazing. So, W Terminal, and hopefully tomorrow we hit even more than 155.